Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide transactions on Cash App Mobile. First launch up Cash App and then come to the bottom right and click on this activities icon. Here you'll see I have nothing, but usually what you do see is transactions on Cash App and the activity of your account. They appear here. I'll show you how I deleted everything, but let me point out something before we proceed, because Cash App does not provide a direct way of hiding or deleting your transactions. But I'll show you a simple and easy alternative, a workaround. So once you're in this page, I want you to just come here at the top right, click on your profile icon. And from here, I want you to go ahead and go to these different sections. Okay, so scroll down and continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the screen. And once you're here, tap on this option named support. Okay, now this will take you to the Cash App support page. There are various options here, but I want you to just go ahead and tap on account and settings. Now from account and settings, just go ahead and scroll down until you reach this option that says close your Cash App account. Okay, now when you do this, what will happen, all your information that is related to your Cash App will be deleted. Just read everything carefully, click on confirm. Now your account will be deleted. In turn, all your transaction history will be deleted. What you can do is just open a new Cash App account, proceed from there, just link your bank account, and you're good to go. And it's really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.